I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video. In this video, we will be exploring the stunning beaches of Estoril, Portugal, and glorious Fort Kelvin. Join me as we take a relaxing stroll along the coast, soaking in the sights and sounds of this beautiful location. Before we begin, I would like to request that you click the like button if you enjoy this video. Moving on, we come to Praia da Poker, a slightly larger beach that is still relatively quiet compared to some of the more popular destinations in the area.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
This beach is a great spot for sunbathing and swimming, and there are also plenty of nearby shops and restaurants if you're feeling peckish. Our final stop is Praia de Santo Amaro Boeiras, a peaceful beach that is perfect for a quiet afternoon walk. This is one of the more secluded beaches in Estoril, and it's a great place to escape the crowds and enjoy some solitude. The beach is surrounded by cliffs and vegetation, giving it a secluded feel that is hard to find in other parts of the area. As we wrap up our tour, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the stunning beaches of Estoril with me. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. And, of course, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel for more travel content filmed in stunning Fort Kelvin.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!